Okay, so now we are looking at question 2 of SAC 2 from semester 1. Okay, so this question here says the red phone company charges $50 monthly rent plus 0.25 per phone call, whereas the black phone company charges $20 monthly rent plus 0.3 $0.30 per phone call. All right, so write an equation to represent the charge of each company. Let P represent phone calls. All right, so the two linear equations we are writing. So I'm going to let the C be the charge. Let me just undo that. So I'm going to let C be the charge. Let's go back to the question. So C is going to be the charge. The question didn't say what to let it be. We're going to let it just be C. So the cost of, I'm going to put a little subscript for R, is the fixed cost is $50 a month. And the variable part is 0.25. That's per phone call, and P represents phone call. And the cost of the black phone company is, the fixed cost is 20, and plus the variable is 0.3 per phone call. So that was 1 mark each. And okay, now let's move on. So what will each company charge for 400 phone calls? So now we're just doing a substitution. So what this is saying, that is the number of phone calls. You need to find the cost. So the cost for the red, we just do a substitution for P equals 400. So 50 plus 0.25 times 400. That gives us, we put that in the calculator, that gives you $150. The cost for the other company, the black one, it is 20 plus 0.3, and we just sub in 400. And we get the cost being 140. Don't forget to put dollar signs. Really, we should also write, because CR, CB, that probably doesn't mean too much, so we probably should write it in a worded sentence, and last line, say the red phone company will be $150 and the black phone company be $140. Okay, in part C, they've asked for how many phone calls could the kindergarten staff make if they were given a phone budget of $80 a month. So in this case, you're given the cost and you need to work out the number of phone calls. So for the red company, the black company, so we've got 50 plus 0.25 P equals $80. And for the other one, we have 20 plus 0.3P equals $80. And you need to find what P is, the number of phone calls. You can solve it by hand. Mine, for example, on the left-hand side for the red company, you'd minus 50, then divided by 0.25. Or you can just use solve on your calculator. So I'll just do it. So if we do it with, get out of this, we go to calculate. If we go down here, type in solve, either way would be fine, plus 50 equals 80, comma x, and that won't work, of course, because I made a big mistake and I put comma x instead of comma p. Key mistake. Okay, let me just copy that again. One variable being p. P equals 120. All right, so P equals 120 phone calls. You can do the same for the other one. Put that in, put this equation here into solve in the same way, and you get P equals 200 calls. And there'll be 1 mark there, 1 mark there, for 2 marks. All right, let's move on. Part D, use simultaneous equations. You're actually told what to do. Use simultaneous equations to calculate the number of phone calls to which would be needed to make for the two companies to charge the same fee. What is this fee? Okay, so you can again, so to write two simultaneous equations. So the cost of, so for them to, the first thing is they need to charge the same fee. So to charge the same fee, the cost has to be the same. They have to be equal to each other. So that means the cost of the red company, actually I might put this down first. The cost of the red company will be the same as the cost of the red company will be equal to the cost for the black company. So the costs will be equal to each other. So what does that mean? How would we write that? We've got the red company, so 50 plus 0.25p will be equal to that of the black company, so 20 plus 0.30p. You can solve that by hand, but we have our CAS, so let's use our CAS. So we'll do it correctly this time. Solve. I'll just copy that in. 50 plus 0.25p equals 20 plus 0.30p, comma, p, because we're solving for p, they're equal to each other, comma p, and we get p equals 600. So that means, that 600 means is the number of calls. So if we go back to here, p equals 600. So 600 calls to be charged the same fee. The same fee. And how do we find out what is the fee? So don't forget that second part. What is the fee? Well, it's when p equals 600, so you can sub it into either one of these, whichever one you want. So we sub p equals 600 into one of the equations. I'm just going to pick the first one, so the red phone company, the one on the left. So the cost equals 50 plus 0.25 times by 600. And what does that equal? It equals, the cost is 200. So that is the cost, or the, in this case, I probably should say, this is the fee. Okay, so in this case, you've got 1 mark here for finding how how many phone calls and 1 mark for finding the actual fee. And the best way would be use your CAS, but again, you can do it by hand. All right, now we're going to move to, in the next video, we'll move to question 3.